Okay, although not mentioned that we need to do the appropriation account, just to practice, we're just going to immediately do it as it is. So for question number 3, ask us to calculate the profit share when there is interest on capital and a partnership salary. So what happens is that they agreed upon a 10% per annum, and Andy should be given a salary 10,000 per annum for managing the business. So the partner's capital like that. So what happens if you just want to do it with just for understanding sake, you can just do it this way. So 10% interest on capital. So if you're Andy and Beverly, so you got 65, 72. You can find 10% of it. So this is the 10%. Okay, each one will find 10% already, and then Andy gets a 10,000 per annum. So you can actually see how much is needed here. So taken out will be out of your profit will be this one prior to sharing. So this is the amount that will be taken out of your profit. Yeah, 23,700 will be taken out of profit. So if you just use logically, you can think that 83,000 we need to take out 23,700. Then we are going to share them equally. So you're just going to take this amount minus this amount because that will be taken out of your profit. And then this will be shared equally between Andy and Beverly. So the amount that will be shared will be this divided by 2. So this is just a conceptual thinking of what we're supposed to do here. Okay, so technically, Andy will receive 29,650, 6,500 for interest on capital, and 10,000 worth of salary. Whereas Beverly will receive 29,650 at 7,200. This is just a calculation that we need to make before we make an appropriation account. The appropriation account is a standalone account. So we just need to recreate this here and then we just call it the appropriation account. Profit and loss. Profit or loss appropriation account. Okay, so this one here, you have to understand the concept first before attempting the question. So this is the concept that I've given to you, what you need to understand. So Andy will take this amount, and this amount. Okay, Beverly will also take this amount, since they share the profit or losses equally, and then they also take this amount, 7,200 plus this one. But if we do it in terms of our profit or loss appropriation account, let's see how it works. We start with a profit for the year. So profit for the year, we have 83,000. We need to redistribute. We need to take this amount out first, out of 83,000. We're going to take a portion of it and give it to our partners. So here we need to less, because this amount is taken out of the profit for the year, interest on capital. Interest on capital, Andy, we get 10% off 65,000. Beverly, 10% off 72,000. 6,500, 7,200. So this amount will be taken out. So we need to less it from our profit for the year. So this amount will be taken out. So this minus this. You get this amount, and then we still need to less a salary given to Andy only. Sometimes both partners get it, sometimes only one. Andy gets 10,000. So now take this, plus this minus this. So this is the amount of what we call residual profit. Means how much money we have left to be distributed. So here we need to find the residual profit. So it's shared equally. Andy gets half of it. And then Beverly also gets half of it. Okay, so we take this one divided by 2, this one divided by 2. So it looks like your statement of financial position, but it is not. It balances itself. The total is the same, then you know you have distributed properly. So if you want to think of who gets what, or who gets how much, then we have to put it into their current account. So in a profit and loss appropriation account, you get to see how it's being done in a bigger picture. And then eventually we're going to put them into their current account, which will show you how much exactly each individual gets.